Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add rules in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple. First thing you will have to do is to open up your project and go right here to customize. Now it will pop up this window and you have to select the rules. Now in order to add a new rule, you will have to click on this button Add. This will take you to this Add Rule section, and first you can see Powered by AI rules. So you can draft a response, check for duplicates, summarize attachment, and so much more. You can also scroll down to send a message if to a Slack or to Teams, if task is moved to a section or if priority is changed. It is really mind-blowing how many rules can you add here. So you see you have also this menu at the left, so you can navigate easily through the rules. So just choose a rule that you want. So let's say I will choose rule from up here where it's Gmail, right here. So if priority is changed, send an email. And as you can see, when priority is changed, check if priority is set to unspecified and do this, send email. So you can check one of these fields, as you can see. So check the middle one and change it to field is set to and choose an option for priority. So let's say low or unimaginably high if you want. So if the priority is changed to this high, automatically send an email. So click on this and you can connect to Gmail rules and simply add this rule. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.